Hello, Hatboro-Horsham School District. I'm Scott Eveslage, Superintendent of Schools, back again for another Hat Chat Minute. I'm here at the Jarrett Nature Center, a unique and beautiful outdoor classroom that truly sets the Hatboro-Horsham School District apart. This exceptional nature preserve is exclusive to our district and community and provides our students with opportunities to experience nature firsthand. Throughout the year, our elementary students have multiple scheduled visits to the JNC for hands-on environmental education that cannot be replicated in a traditional classroom setting. As the weather warms up, more and more students are returning to explore this natural laboratory right in our own backyard. The Jarrett Nature Center continues to evolve and improve, and I'm thrilled to share that 5 new nesting boxes have recently been installed along Hatter's Way. These birdhouses arrived just in time for nesting season and will provide homes for native birds such as bluebirds, tree swallows, and chickadees. We appreciate the community support that has made this project possible. Later this season, these nesting boxes will be monitored as part of the Cornell Lab's Nest Watch project, providing our students with real-world experience in citizen science. This bird-friendly initiative aligns perfectly with Horsham's designation as an official bird town. Horsham Township earned the Bird Town, Pennsylvania designation in 2023, and you may have noticed the signs around town that were added in the fall. This designation acknowledges our community's dedication to fostering a more sustainable environment for birds, wildlife, and people. Our district is proud to contribute to this environmental initiative through our own Keith Valley Middle School project. While we near completion of construction of the new facility, we will also be adding 348 new trees at Keith Valley, double the number on the property previously, along with 368 shrubs and 590 ground coverings. The district will also be planting 26 additional trees throughout Horsham Township. All plants and trees will be native species, showcasing our commitment to meeting the requirements of the Horsham Land Redevelopment Authority and supporting the environment. Native plants benefit our local wildlife and do not require fertilizers, extra watering, or pesticides. Students and families, I encourage you to explore the unique national treasure that is the Jarrett Nature Center. Watch for birds in our existing nesting boxes, explore the trails, or enjoy the fresh air in this unique space that truly belongs to our Hatboro-Horsham community. I hope that you, our family and community members, can experience the Jarrett Nature Center much like our students can. It's a beautiful place to be and a treasure within our community. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, I'm Scott Eveslage, signing off.